Hey guys, what's up? This is Rohit Bhatia and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm having top 5 Android apps of month June. So without any further ado, let's get started. First app on the list is TruePic. This app is basically a personalization app which offers you some unique wallpapers and home screen setups. The interface is pretty minimalist. Here we have two options. First one is True Papers, which is for wallpapers, and other one is True Setups, which would be obviously for home screens. Let's open True Papers. Here we have few cool categories. You can open the category to access the wallpaper in it. And you can apply wallpaper to home screen only or lock screen only, or you can apply to the both. Let's check setups. There are many cool setups you can choose from. Also, you can have many more after you sign into your account. After opening the screen, it will show you which app you need to get that look. Just install it and apply it. Then there are few tasks in which you can take part. Also, you can upload your setup. And on the last, we have a notification panel. On the list, next app is Emoji Store, which I personally like and use the most. Guys, there are so many emojis available on this app which you can share to your friends to make your conversation more interesting. All you have to do is to select the emoji, then just click on Add to WhatsApp button. It will automatically add to your WhatsApp. Developers keep updating new emojis. It's a huge store of emojis. If you're a fun-loving person and always make your conversation interesting and funny, then you should definitely have this app. Third app is Mi Browser Pro. It is a browser with lots of features. With this browser, you can download videos and images from Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And there is dark mode as well. It also allows incognito mode. Apart from it, you can download WhatsApp status of your friends. Guys, fourth app is Rotation Manager. From the name you can guess what it is all about. Guys, this is an app by which you can set the rotation of your phone screen according to the app you open. Here's a list of the app installed on my phone. Let's change the default rotation for YouTube. Let's turn it on. It will ask you which rotation you want to apply. First one is landscape, second one is portrait, and third one is depending on how you hold the phone. Let's choose landscape and close. Let's try opening the YouTube. See guys, it has automatically changed the screen to landscape orientation. You can also turn on or off this app anytime from this toggle button. So guys, last app is Pixelflow. This app is basically for those who loves to make videos for Instagram, TikTok and YouTube. Like everybody wants a good start of their video, but due to the lack of knowledge of particular software, many people don't able to do it. Guys, this is basically an intro maker. There are lots of free and logged templates available on this app. All you have to do is to choose the template, click on it, then click use. It will open the editor, then add the title and subtitle. You can even change the color and hide or unhide the title and subtitle. Also, you can change the color of the element. Then change the size or position if you want to. Then you can add background to your video as well. Then finally you can add audio to your intro, then press export. Guys, best part is you can export video up to 1080 pixel.